Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be installing a wig. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video.
But the whole click snap. There's a whole lot of people in the house trying to smoke with the yak in your mouth. And you back outside. You said you outside, but you ain't that outside. Worldwide hoodie with the mask outside. In case you forgot how we act outside. Motivation. I'm trying me a new foundation. Yeah. Look at my new salvation. My own foundation.
volume.
16 carriages driving away while I watch them ride with my dreams away to the summer sunset on a holy night on a long black road. All the tears I fight. 16 carriages driving away while I watch them ride with my dreams away to the summer sunset on a holy night on a long black back road, all the tears I cried. 15, the innocence was gone astray. Had to leave my home at an early age. I saw mama praying, I saw daddy grind. All my tender problems had to leave behind. It's been umpteen summers and I'm not in my bed. On the back of the bus in a bunk with the band. Going so hard, gotta choose myself. Underpaid and overwhelmed. I might cut clean but still won't go. Still working all my life, you know. Only God knows, only God knows, only God knows. 16 carriages driving away while I watch them ride with my fears away to the summer sunset on a holy night on a long back road. All the tears I fight. 16 carriages driving away while I watch them ride with my fears away till the summer sunset on a holy night on a long back road. All the tears I fight. Every night I rush to my bed with hopes that maybe I'll get a chance to see you when I close my eyes. I'm going out of my head, lost in the fairy tale. Can you hold my hands and be my guide? Clouds filled with stars cover your skies, and I hope it rains. You're the perfect lullaby. Sweet dream or a beautiful nightmare. Either way, I don't wanna wait. Turn the lights on. Sweet dream or a beautiful nightmare. Somebody pinch me. Your love's too quick. Turn the lights on. My guilty pleasure, I ain't going nowhere. Baby, long as you're here, I'll be floating on air. 'Cause you're my sweet dream or a beautiful nightmare. Either way, mention you when I say my prayers. I wrap you around all of my thoughts. For you, my temporary. I wish that when I wake up, you're there. So wrap your arms around me for real and tell me you'll stay by my side. Clouds feel